Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make iodine solution for starch test. Gather iodized salt, potassium iodide, ethanol, distilled water, a scale, and a dark glass bottle. I will walk you through measuring, dissolving, and diluting to a safe working concentration while highlighting common mistakes. Expect clear tips on mixing order, avoiding contamination, and simple storage advice so your test reagent stays effective and easy to use. Collect all materials before starting to avoid interruptions and spills. Gloves, eye protection, and good ventilation are essential, and keep ethanol well away from any flame. Use a digital scale for precise measurements and clean glassware to avoid contamination. Keep children and pets away while you prepare the solution. These precautions help you make a reliable reagent and prevent accidents while you focus on accurate starch testing in your kitchen or lab. Start by dissolving potassium iodide in warm distilled water to form a clear base solution. Add elemental iodine sparingly until the solution reaches a light amber color and the target concentration. Mix gently and allow solids to dissolve fully, then filter through paper if needed to remove particles. Transfer the finished reagent into a dark glass bottle and label it with date and concentration so you can reproduce results reliably during starch testing.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.